Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at the Galaxy S10 Plus. This is the Sprint version. I want to show you a little of the recent update to Android 10. So it is out and is rolling out to US carriers. I believe T-Mobile is getting it as well, Verizon as well. But I know Sprint got it. I got this a couple of days ago. It was kind of busy, but I couldn't get it out really quickly. So kind of show you what it looks like. The cool thing I was waiting on is those gestures, those full screen gestures. So let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go into the build settings to get to the build to show you the full screen, the actually official build there. Let's go to software version right there. So you can see that's One UI 2.0 Android 10 version. So let's click on that to see what we get there. This is the Easter egg, and you can move that around. So pretty cool. Okay, so with Android 10 comes the full screen gestures, and the way to do that is to go into settings. You go into display. Let's find the display tab here. And when you scroll down to navigation, you're going to get the tab that says navigation bar, and you can click on full screen gestures. You can have a gesture hint if you want. You'll have a little line at the bottom, not the three lines that you normally have, that little small line at the bottom down there to show you where the gesture is. Or you can use the regular navigation button. Now with the full screen gestures, you're going to get that, it's going to look like what Google has on the Pixel 4. So, before the gestures on the Galaxy phones, you had these three areas that you still utilize to simulate the buttons. But here you can just go straight up, and you're going to get the recent app screen there, right? And if you open up an app, you can go back by just sliding to the right, like Google does on the Pixel. Now, one of the things that I noticed with this UI is that with the Pixel, you can swipe at the bottom to get to your open pages, like that right there. But with this Galaxy phone, I'm not able to do that. Maybe I'm not doing something right, but when I do that, you see I get the Bixby screen, or maybe I need to turn that off. I don't know, but so that's an issue there. Maybe Samsung might help me with that. Now I got the Note 10 Plus here as well, and as you can see, these devices look similar, but the full screen gestures work a little bit differently. You got to swipe on that end to get to that recent app, whereas here you can just swipe up on the middle and you can get it. All right, you just swipe up. So it's a bit of a difference there. I like this better because it simulates the Pixel 4 better than this one right here. Now, if you go into developer options, you can see a few more settings that can help you customize your device. So if you scroll to the bottom, you're going to see an option where you have theming option. You don't have that on Android 9 on the Galaxy. So you can change the accent color, headline, body font, and you can change the shape of your icons. So you can change it to squircle, square, rounded, rectangular, and so on and so forth. So that's pretty cool. So as you can see in the settings, there are a couple of areas where things look different. Like this area is updated. This is the device care area. It's updated on the Galaxy S10 Plus with the new look, but it's a little bit different over here on the Android 9. So also you have a different look in the digital well-being app. So this is a little more, you have more writing there than this animation over here, or this illustration over here, the drawings. So it's a little bit different. You have it set up a little bit differently there. So that's new to Android 10 with the Galaxy S10 Plus when you get to One UI 2.0. Now, when you get to the digital well-being area, you also get your parental controls as well that you can use to customize your phone if you have kids using it. So if you look at the toggles, they don't look much different than before when you update to Android 10. So they look pretty much the same. Not much change there. Of course, the Note 10 has the option to turn the phone on and off up top there because of the difference of the power buttons there. But in general, it looks pretty much the same. Not much difference there. So I think for the average user, you're going to notice the most with the One UI, how the launcher functions. You're not going to notice a whole lot else just visually. You got to dig into the phone to figure those things out. So just got it. Haven't really looked through all the features yet to see what the update brought to me. I'll be looking at more features as I go along over the next several days and maybe share that with you on YouTube. But I wanted to let you know that it is out. Sprint has it. It's been going out to the Sprint phone. So if you haven't gotten it yet, check your update button to see whether you get it so you can put it onto your phone. But I just want to take a quick look, kind of show you what was there, all right? So if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ.